So no less than 4 times was I asked this week by students, clients, and even a stranger, where am I supposed to look when I'm filming with my smartphone or with my webcam? And it is an excellent question, one that's really important because it helps you connect with your online audience. And so I'm going to answer it, but you got to stay tuned because that is coming up next. Hey, welcome back. It's Tracy with videoscriptsuccess.com, where I help you take your brilliant but scattered ideas and turn them into marketing videos your audience actually wants to watch. Make sure you hit that subscription button and that notification bell so that you get all of my tips, tools, and tricks for making great online videos. I get it. It's kind of weird to make a deep and meaningful connection with a little green dot, but it's something you're really going to have to work at to get it right. Video is a conversation, and it's creepy and weird if you're not looking someone in the eye. You're trying to make a connection with someone, right? You want them to feel like they belong. And if you're kind of looking like Mr. Shifty or Miss Shifty, this way, that way, I'm not really sure, it makes people not trust you. And remember, we want people to know, love, and trust you. Here. Hey, it's kind of weird if I try to make a connection with you like that, right? I have to be looking right here. So I want you to fix that because it's really important for you to connect with your audience, right? Video is a conversation. So today, let's go over 2 things you really need to do in order to make that connection with your online audience. Okay, well, the first thing I want you to do is to look at the camera. Duh, Tracy. It is a duh. However, it's not that easy to do. I struggled with this in the beginning myself. I see my clients do it all the time. Your inclination is to look at you. Now, when I'm looking at myself, can you see how my eyes shifted all the way down? I'm looking at me now, not at the camera. Now I'm connecting with the camera. So you want to make sure on my laptop, it's a little green dot. You want to make sure that you're looking at that little green dot. If your inclination on your laptop is to look at you, instead of the camera, put your script in front of yourself. So I have my script in a Word document and I just put it right over my face. That way, if I find myself kind of going down, I'm like, oh, no, come on back up and look at the camera, right? Or if you're using your phone, it's even a little more confusing. Obviously, we want to be filming this way. Right? The camera is here. Right? It's that takes a little bit of work to get used to, which brings me to number 2. The thing you need to do is practice. Take the time to get this right. This is the connection piece with your online audience. And if you're shifting around and looking around, it's weird and we don't want you to be weird, right? If you were nose to nose, toes to toes having a conversation with someone and your eyes kept shifting around, they're going to think you're not interested. And it's even worse for online because they don't really know you. And we need them to know you, love you, and trust you. So please take the time to practice. Okay, if you found this video helpful, and I hope you did, I want you to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and I'll see you right here next week.